Welcome. Today I'm showing you how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from PowerKey into a Realme 9 Pro. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find System Settings. Where is? On the bottom. Yes, System Settings, this one. Then scroll down and on the bottom we got Wake Google Assistant with PowerKey. This position it's turn off this option, this it's activate. So let's try. Press and hold, and how you can see, Hey Google option is activate. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.